ahead of the 24th strike called by the Tibrasa Civil Society on Thursday, October 23rd, locals blocked the Bachaibari National Highway in the Asrambari constituency.
Go back, go back, go back.
In support of this strike, people blocked the Bachaibari National Highway in Asrambari Assembly constituency. Therefore, today's movement is for the fundamental rights of the indigenous people. They say that a large number of illegal infiltrations are happening from Bangladesh. The civil society workers and supporters demanded that the illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators be identified and sent back to Bangladesh.
Tini to sini mo Tripura hani jotto problem tono kampen siu. Engkai sini kujugo tongnai lo press briefing khai to side no dikha. Ai pan norok sungka ba. Sung tewisa sanai tini hingkangke sini mo hani jata major problem tongo. Aboni bisingo atta demand tongo. Atta demand ni bisingo je main problem hingkangkai illegal migrant. Abo 1949 15 October nismi jata March mani ulo nismi chini hau mo jongjala se mani. O jongjal ni yak ni kagna ni bagai. Bohai ke kagman kebang ma party kebang ma rajniti bodolok. Chaitok kha. Chaitok phana oboni solution khaimeya. Engkai tabuk a solution khaimeya ni bagai sing tabuk khorang tisanani ma phaileka. Engkai chini mo khorang soiresan tongnai tabuk je chini mona solving asan illegal migrant joto sal chinmo hawa tongnai bongno identify khayoi bongno detention camp bo chok ya sak chinmo soba thai ya sak na choli tongnai
nang mo tini besok gonta jorte bonda ujak
mo tini to 24 hour tini mo 24 hour mo tongnai apato mo sini puila wansuk mani first step tabung ni chengkhani oboni ulo wansuk jangnai obo choira sapa nang mano ahepano mo kaisa limit kaisa 24 hour ni badai bon dakhok jak
ko jaga bo thayo nor
mo hangke 26 Asrambari Bachaibari thai Bachaibari bazar national highway
Reporter Baby Plop from Khwai, Chini Khorang.